Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to share how to find the median value. So this is the statistical value that I'm going to find. It's a very simple formula that you can find it here and I think median, right? Statistical, here you can see this median value. See median value here. So okay, that's fine. Here I need to find the median value for this. I think it should be 89. If the answer is right, so thumbs up to me. And here median, and this is the number you can give like 1 2 3 4 something like that, but I'm going to give the median value here. So here I'm just copying the cell value, blocking the cell value from C2 to C6. So I'm gonna click this. So 89 is the median value of this 5 values. So this will be very much helpful if you have more than 1000 or 2000 or 100 values here, right? You can find this actually. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks on my video forms. Thank you. Bye.